Well, I'm headed back to Lowe's. Got the cabinets and all finished and the filter done. Now I got to get some lights for under the counter. I'm going to try to get some LED lights and see if they got something that'll work for me. So here I am off to Lowe's. Don't see a lot of people here today, so hopefully I can find what I'm looking for and get out of here. Here we are going into Lowe's. I don't know if I'm gonna find what I'm looking for. There's a whole bunch of different stuff here. I'm gonna have to put my camera down and check it out, see which ones I want. They got all different prices. So let's see which one I pick. So this is the one I'm gonna get. It has 8 feet. Plugs into the wall. You can cut it with the scissors to whatever size you want, and it's $24.98 at Lowe's. So this is the one I'm going to get. I gotta check and see if it has a switch on it, because the plug I'm plugging it in is not a switched plug. So let me investigate that before I purchase this. Oh yeah, it says right there on the package, inline switch. Cool. All right. I'm taking this and installing it. So I removed the old light, try to get some stuff out of the way. And there's the new LED light, comes in a roll. And you can cut this with scissors. You will be cutting it with scissors to the right length that you want it, because it's made so you can cut it to fit. That little bag has some screws and brackets for holding it up, and I'll show you that towards the end of the video, how to put those on. I did look at the instructions a little bit, but they were not much help. So now, one thing I will tell you is I'm putting this up under the counter. Like I said, the instructions are not real clear. You need to figure out which end that the plug plugs into and start from that end at the plug where you're going to plug it in, so you can turn the lights off and on. Because if you put it up backwards, then you got to take it back down and redo it. How do I know this? From experience, baby. Once you make your first cut there, where you got to turn on that 22.5 degree angle, which two 22.5 degree angles makes a 45 to go around the corner. So I do that, and then you'll see I've got that little piece there, and you plug that in, and that will let you go around the corner, but there's no lights on it. It's just it's a piece that helps you go around the corner, because These things will not go around the corner unless you're back there on the wall, but then it would be shining in your face, so you wouldn't want to do that. So that's why I've got it up under the counter, shining down on the sink. You just push the clip closed, and I'm going to add the other one over there. You just put it in there and close the clip. That is pretty self-explanatory, and the directions help you a little bit with that, but it don't help you a lot. So here you'll see me pull the paper off the back of the light, which has got a sticky substance on it, and it'll stick the lights right up there on your cabinet. But the more you pull them down and put them back up, the less it sticks. And next, here comes the part where I plug in the light to the wall and connect the cable to the light strip. One thing I don't understand is they don't really give anything to double-sided tape or anything to attach this somewhere or anything. So I'm going to have to get some double-sided tape and dress this up a little bit and put it somewhere where it can be handy but not be obnoxious. So I got to work on that. They need to make an improvement on that. Hello, one little thing I want to tell you about these LED lights. You get these little holders here that you can put once you put this up against the cabinet, you put these in here. You take these little tiny screws and you put them through those holes up into the cabinet, and that'll hold it in place. You got to do that on the ends or it'll just fall down and peel off the bottom of the cabinet. Another thing is these things are directional when you go to connect them together. And you go to hook the power supply up. You see right there where it says DC 12 volt. The lettering has to be in the same direction on all of them. And you have to put the power supply on the end. You need to start at the plug where you're going to plug it in at and work your way away from the plug, or you're going to have a problem with this, because this has to be facing the plug where you're going to be plugging it into the wall. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I appreciate you watching my video if you stayed to the end. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll have another video for you soon.